Hello and welcome to Universal Grip. My name's Frank and today we're going to do a complete unboxing for the Vector 3D non-contact extensometer. So we'll show you exactly what the system ships with, and in subsequent videos we'll show how to connect it to the machine and operate the system. But this is the perfect solution for easy to use strain measurement on any universal testing machine. Today we are unboxing the Vector 3D non-contact extensometer. So it ships in this nice Pelican case for easy travel. You can also get just a basic cardboard box if you're not interested in the case. But this is great if you're going to be moving the system around, and it also provides a beautiful presentation for all of the components. So we'll go through each piece of equipment and talk about exactly what it does. We'll just start from the top left here. So this is a box of accessories, and it's mostly T-nuts. And it also has this nice blue light magnifying glass so you can see exactly what the Vector extensometer is seeing. So mostly just screws, nuts and bolts, and Allen wrench to attach it to the side of your machine. Next is the mounting arm. So there's several different pieces for the mounting arm to mount it to the side of your machine. Many different configurations for how to mount. And if you have any questions about your machine or how to connect the system to your system, we can help with that. But this uses T-slot nuts. Most machines now have the brackets. Another piece of the arm, and we have a guide for how this fits all together, but it's relatively straightforward. This is a mock testing unit, so you can actually pull the sample apart with this display to test that the system's working, and it will actually give you a measurement just with this. This is designed to mimic what's happening during a tensile test. So you can put your samples here, there's a magnet, you can practice marking them, and it will actually give you a measurement straight from here. The system does not ship with the broken pieces. We can give you some if you'd like, just for demonstration purposes. And you can see the markings here. We have the circle, you can also do dots, you can also do a spackle pattern. So when you're doing the marking, the system includes a lot of different marking options. So it comes with this stencil to help you mark the dots and circles at different gauge lengths. And then it also comes with various stamping pads. So these are all inked stamping pads that you can use to mark your samples. So it comes with a decent supply of these. And then if you need a resupply over time, we can provide that. Or you can also get it at most art stores and other places. So a few more paint pens. So these are for marking the sample. We have it in white, and then we also have it in black. We have a complete sample marking guide for exactly how to mark the samples so that you get good readings with the extensometer every time. A couple more pieces of the mounting arms. Another piece for mounting, another mounting bracket. All of this fits together to make one single easy to use arm, and we'll have another video on exactly how the arm works, because that's always a big question we get. We do have these stamping pads. So these are to mark the speckle pattern on the sample. Nice branded pad here. There's another couple of them in here. So this is our calibration checking plaque. So you can put this in front of the system, and with the lasers, with the alignment lasers of the system, it will automatically lock on and give you the gauge length. This here is 100 millimeters gauge length, and it is calibrated and certified back to NIST standard. So this is a nice, just quick check of the system to make sure that it's calibrated and that you're getting a good reading. Let's see, I think we have one more piece for the mounting. So this is the base mounting bracket. This goes right onto the side of your machine. You put the T-slot nuts here, here, and here. There's a few different holes for different measurements of machines. So this will fit most machines, just with all the different options that you can use. If you have different hole patterns or need something different, we can make that for you, no problem. And then it also has this gauge here, this scale, so you can adjust it appropriately. All right, and last but not least, we have the Vector U200 non-contact extensometer. So this is similar to a video extensometer, however, there's several key differences. One is that it doesn't give you a live output of the image. It just simply delivers the strain measurement value directly to you. So it has these nice handles on the side here, so you can really grip onto it and hold onto it. But the cameras are here. So this is the U200 long travel distance system, and this gives you a 200 millimeter gauge length. We also have longer ones. Right here is the alignment laser, so this will help to lock onto your sample. And then it also has fully integrated lighting, so it's blue wavelength light, and we've done studies to confirm that that's the best light to use. It gives you the most accuracy and resolution for use with the cameras. The system also has an embedded GPU. It's an NVIDIA GPU, so all of the processing is done directly inside the system, so you do not need any special computer or high performance PC to operate this system. It works with pretty much any PC computer or laptop on the market. Any modern PC will be able to run this. Nice heat sink in the back. Also has several lights on the top to show that it's operating. And then only 2 plugs in the back. One is an Ethernet cord, which I have here. So that goes into your PC computer to interface with the software. And this will interface with any machine softwares out there, including Instron, Shimadzu, MTS, Galdabini, Tinius Olson. And we also have the output cable. So this is the cable that goes directly into your machine. You can either do a digital output, or you can also do a strain gauge output, just a typical voltage output, 0 to 10 volts, which is popular with most strain gauges. Let's see, a couple power cords and some more accessories. The power supply for the system, and that is it. So the system ships complete with everything you need. If you do find you need something else, like an extension cable, maybe the distance between your PC to the universal testing machine is kind of long, we have extension cables. But for the most part, this includes everything, even including documentation on the system, some sample marking guides, some easy to use guides to help your technicians utilize this effectively to measure strain. So if you have any questions on the Vector 3D non-contact extensometer, you can visit us at www.universalgripco.com. You can also call our phone line or text 978-882-1480. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.